Hello, my name is Nevriye, and in this video, I'm going to introduce Wonderform. Wonderform is our latest edition, which focuses on converting traditional forms into conversations. So let's go ahead and see how that works. I'm going to access Forms, which is where I can create a form. For example, it's going to be my Wonderform. And in here, I'm gonna add my form questions. So the first question is gonna be, what is your name? And the second question is gonna be, what is your email address? The third one is gonna be, which product did you purchase? And in here, I'm gonna add a few suggestions. For example, shoes, sunglasses, and handbag. The fourth question is going to be, on a scale of 1 to 5, how satisfied are you with the product? Okay, and in here I'm going to add 5 suggestions. Okay, and as a last step in here, I'm going to go ahead and send this data to to my Google Sheet. So I'm just going to paste in the link of my Google Sheet. And before you paste in the link, you have to grant permissions to this email address. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. So now that we have our form set up, I'm going to go ahead and access Wonderform, where I'm going to create my Wonderform widget. So I'm gonna create the first widget. And as a form source, I'm gonna add the form that I just created. Okay, and in here we have a lot of settings. I'm not gonna go over all of them. I'm just gonna briefly describe some. For example, in look and feel, you have everything related to how the widget looks. You have two widget modes, which is one is mounted. This can go in any part of your page. And we have another mode, which is a float, which is just a widget that you can embed on your website. And I'm gonna change it back to mounted. So in here you will see there's a lot of options. We have the introduction editor, which you can specify what you want as an introduction. For example, you can edit it. This will be an introduction before the form questions start getting asked. You can also include an AI introduction. Then you have AI options. You have Color Studio to change the colors. You have the Font Studio, the GDPR settings, Open Graph. You have the share options, share through a link or through a QR code. Then we have the embedding options and webhooks and some other settings. So let's go ahead and test this out a bit and see how our questions are gonna get asked. Okay, this is because the GDPR is enabled. I'm gonna agree to it. And in here, we're gonna get what is your name, which was our first question in the form. And the second question was, what is your email address? Okay, and my email is this. The third question is going to be which product I purchased, where I added 3 suggestions, the shoes, sunglasses, or a handbag. And on a scale of 1 to 5, how satisfied I am with the product. So that's going to be a 5. Okay, so that's it. The form asked us all the questions which should be now in the Google Sheet. Yes, here they are, the name, the email, the product, how satisfied I am with the product, and the date. So that's about it about the form. I hope you find this video useful, and if you have any questions or have any issues with setting this up, please feel free to reach out to hi@answerly.io. We will be very happy to help. Thanks.